Hello guys, this is Raven the Green channel, and I'll be having reviewing the spinning hats. So here's it. It's two, but it's broke. So this is spin test. You will put 1, 2, 3, 4 Vidamas. So we're gonna testing out, and we're gonna using Red Revise with a wide magazine and a extra for the thumb or the trigger, and we're gonna using 10 Vidamas. There you go, we have 10 Vidamas, and now we're gonna spin this very fast, and 3, 2, 1, we fight. So we're gonna reloading. Sorry for that. So I'm gonna get the marbles. So yeah. So make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.